Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change receiver gain on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First, we want to perform a simple move that will enable us notifications. It's somewhat similar to, for example, expanding notifications on your phone. Just a simple swipe from the top to the bottom. Now we want to click Receiver Settings. And in here we want to start scrolling to the right until we will see gain. Let's click that. And now we have gain by default being at 0 dB. If we want to, we can make it lower, up to -110 or -110, or we can bump it up to +12. I believe that also we can do it the same for, we can also set -12 as well. So as you can see, the range is pretty versatile and you can fully customize the grain as you want. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.